I am Neil Gonzalez, Weather X45. Driving rain, heavy winds, snow strong gusty winds. It is raining like crazy outside. All the snow is gone. Winds 48 miles per hour, gusting up to 52 miles per hour. It is really windy outside. Tropical storm wind gust. Winds is really getting strong. Woo. The winds are gusting like crazy. Right here. Winds are gusting. I can't show you really well in this camera because the winds is actually driving like crazy. You can hear all the rain coming down hard. All the snow that came is completely gone. Let me see something. Yep, it's recording. It is a disgusting weather outside. I can't record really well because of the winds. Temperatures rise already. Look, all the snow is melting. Wepa! Tropical storm winds. It's windy. These winds are gusting like crazy. You can see it's gusting over 52 miles per hour. Ooh, it's windy. I'm gonna try to take you to the flag. As you can see, the rain is picking up. You can see the bag is like blowing, so I can't record really well. A mud warning has been issued for Van Cortlandt Park. You can see mud. Here's our flag. Woo! Hear all that rain? It's coming down like crazy. Whoa! This is tropical storm force wind gust. Wow! See that, people? Oh God, and here comes the wind! Oh! Wow! Oh! Holy crap! Holy shit! Wow! Wow! Amazing! Hurricane force winds! Hurricane force winds! Hurricane force winds! Hurricane force winds! Here it comes! Hurricane force winds, guys, everyone! Hurricane force winds! This storm is not playing, people. Wow! Hope you guys like this video, and peace out.